It's effing fast.
What's up, good people? This is just a demo page that I created for practice purposes, but we're actually going to be working with the Chrome extension right here. It's called the Fast File Extension Maker. And basically, I created this because I do so many files over and over and over again, testing and just making sure everything's right, but I'm constantly making the same files over and over and over and over again. It was starting to drive me nuts. So I said, man, I wish there was a way I could just go in, and once I know what files I need, I can just type them in and it just makes the files for me and the folder's ready, and then I can just go and add the text as I need it, as opposed to adding the file, copying out the code, popping it in, adding the file, copying out the code, pasting it in. It was driving me crazy. So I came up with this. Basically what you do is put your folder name here and then the names of the extension or the files that you want with the extensions that you want them to be. And I know I pretty much use the same 3 or 4, but sometimes I'll get up to maybe 9 files in one folder to create one program or script, whatever I'm working on. So you go here, give it a file name. I'll just make something up. And then right here, you add your file names. Now I know I always need an index. And it's generally index.html, but we take the dot out and you'll see why in a moment. And everything has to be on a separate line. I know I always need styles. That's for the CSS. I always need a script. That's for the code. If I spell it right. And that's JS for JavaScript. And sometimes we need a background. And that's another JavaScript. And manifest when we're turning into a extension. No, don't need a dot. So manifest, that's a JSON file. And sometimes there's a server page and all stuff, but this will do for now, for the example. Okay, so once you have your files in, and they have to be just like this, without the dot, or else it won't work. And then you hit generate. Okay, so then it pops up. It's going to automatically save it in your default folder. So mine's download. You see it created a folder for it, and there's a file. I just click on it, put the dot in, save it. Go to the next one, styles.css. Next one, script.javascript. Background.javascript. And manifest.json. Here's everything. As you can see, they're all down here. You want to go in, showing folder. You see the folder was created in my downloads folders, and there are all my files ready to go. That's all I need. I can come back in, start popping my code in, and then testing it. That's it. I don't know what else to say. It works for me. I will make this available on the Chrome store once I get it all perfected and everything, so you guys can play with it. And I'll make sure I drop the links in here when they're done. But for now, give me your thoughts. Let me know how you feel about this. Is this something you could use? Do you feel like it would speed up your time doing something like this? I mean, you don't necessarily have to be a coder. You could be someone who's creating files for work and have a lot of files to create. So you want to name them first, then go back in and put your info into them. That could be something you could use it for. Let me know what else you think this could be used for. Again, sorry for that. That is my phone blowing up. All right, gotta go. Thanks, fam.
It's effing fast.